In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume in Google Docs. Creating a professional resume doesn't have to be complicated, and with Google Docs, you can build one quickly using ready-made templates that are clean, modern, and easy to customize. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. Once you are on the home page, take a moment to make sure you are signed in to your Google account so you can access all available features. After that, look for the template gallery at the top section of the page. This is where Google provides a variety of pre-designed document layouts, including resumes. When you enter the template gallery, scroll through the available options until you find a resume template that fits your style or the type of job you are applying for. There are simple designs as well as more detailed professional layouts, so choose one that best matches your needs. Click on the template you prefer, and it will automatically open as a new document in Google Docs. Once your template is open, the next step is to customize it with your personal information. Carefully replace the placeholder text with your own details such as your name, contact information, work experience, education, and skills. Make sure everything is clear, accurate, and up to date. This is also a good time to adjust formatting if needed, such as font size or spacing, so the document looks neat and easy to read. As you continue editing, take a moment to review each section to ensure consistency in formatting. A well-organized resume creates a strong impression and helps highlight your qualifications more effectively. You can also add or remove sections depending on your experience and the job you are targeting. After finishing your edits, save your document automatically through Google Docs, or manually ensure it is properly stored in your Google Drive. From there, you can easily download it as a PDF or share it directly with employers or recruiters using a shareable link. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional resume using a Google Docs. This method saves time and helps you focus more on your content rather than design. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.